Okay, a value proposition canvas is basically something to make you think about what your customer needs. And in our case, well, we're talking about dentistry. So they'll have dental health needs, and they'll, most kind of like want a nice smile. They want them look after the mouth, and they're also looking after care for the family. And for quite a few, they have cosmetic needs. So we'll call those jobs. That's what it does. So, but the problems they have is, well, this is a common one, dental access. Lots of people are concerned about cost. Some are a bit scared. Some wondering where they're going to go for the dental treatment. Unfortunately, often only come when they want pain relief. And there's the opposite, the people that come an awful lot who are worried, but they're quite well. So what happens then is that we've got some products. So what kind of products can we have for them? I think we need something that promotes services that people want. And there we've got some, problems about access, how we can do something about that. And then if we can store their records, then there's some things we can do with that, and provide them with some resources at home, which will probably be on video. And, also where they can possibly go to find some care. And so what we can do then is that it gives them, like you say, pain relief. Well, less cost, but that's probably if they need less treatment. So we can help them there. Less visits. Well, we're all going green. And, if we can promote them, we are health advocates. We can just push them in the right direction. And the last one there is trustworthy resources. Yes, of course, we are trustworthy. We have the resources. So the gain creators, as it would say, the positive out things would be, well, what we want is them to take ownership of their health. So I'd hope they'd think that was a good thing. And then I should have made the writing a bit bigger, whatever that one says. They'll know about their BPE, and hopefully they'll actually have less treatment, and and look after themselves to a large degree. And so that will happen then is that'll be, as we would say here, some reassuring for them. That'll be a positive outcome. Ideally, they'll have lower costs for them, and it'll save them time if we work with some of the aspects that we're talking about or thinking about, and ultimately they'll get better health. And it's how we can link these different things from one side that we can offer them. So we're on the left, they're on the right, and let's see if we can help one another. How am I going to do that? How are we going to do that?